All right, Dr. Aznavour, let's talk a little bit about flossing, brushing, the necessity, the things we do wrong, right, and everything which goes with it.
Okay, well, there's a couple of issues we're having lately, as I see. One of them is people tend to think that a medium brush cleans your teeth better, or a hard brush cleans your teeth better than a soft brush. We find that is absolutely untrue. Let me tell you why exactly. The reason is, although you would think a medium brush would remove more plaque, once the plaque is hardened, it will not be removed with a brush. You need metal instruments to remove it. The reason you should be using a soft toothbrush is because a medium will damage your enamel. It will wear out your enamel, which can cause tooth sensitivity. And also, the medium will not get into the small grooves between your teeth and your gums. The soft toothbrushes are much more gentle. They will not wear out your enamel as much, although that is a possibility if you aggressively brush. And they get into the small areas better, which is the main reason of cleaning your teeth. Now, what's the best way of cleaning the teeth? The best way, you should always hold the brush at a 45-degree angle to your tooth. Should be brushing between your gum and your tooth. Those are the areas where you should be getting the cleaning done. You should be brushing your teeth for about 3 minutes. In terms of which toothbrush is the best, usually they're all pretty much designed to be the same. There's no advantage one over the other. Just make sure it's soft. Now, mechanical versus manual toothbrushes, there's a big question there. Oh, which one's better? Will I get better results with one or the other? There's studies show that there is not one better than the other if they're being used properly. Now, the main advantage of a electric toothbrush, let's say, is that for people who don't have very good movement of their hands, that's one advantage. Also, we see that people who are using a manual brush are not able to do just as good of a job. So then we recommend an electric toothbrush because it requires sometimes less work. The disadvantage of an electric brush is, again, you have to get used to it. You have to, when you're using an electric brush, you just have to hold it there and let the brush do the work and not you help the brush. You should not be doing that because that can damage your gums. It can damage your teeth. Another thing you could look into is electric toothbrushes that have sensors on them. Some people tend to push hard with an electric toothbrush, which can cause damage. Try to get one that has a sensor on it that's telling you if you're pushing too hard or not.
All right. Well, good. That should let us a little bit know of what and how we should do. Wonderful. Thanks a lot.